of the PDF. Now we are looking into this 22nd object. Now we are getting there. So this is another stream object, but it's compressed, so we cannot really see the content by human eyes. This basically says the length, I guess the compressed length, the size after compression is 3122 bytes, 25 bytes, and method of compression is float decode, which is filter, is float decode, which is basically zlib compression, and we have to decode this, this bunch of binary blob by using zlib. And what we have to do is, first we have to cut this text off and we have to obtain these exact byte stream to correctly decompress this stuff. We already know the count. The count means the length of bytes we want to cut. We want to trim out. Is that correct? I don't know. But we don't know exactly the starting point, starting location, starting byte offset of this thing, and I'm just trying random numbers to find out. From here? No, a little bit. 60. Now 62. Yeah. Okay, so this way we exactly extracted. I'm sorry, extracted the content. No, the binary, the only binary part, only by using DD. And then we're gonna use this tool. It's not tool, it's a shell script, unzlib.sh. Actually, zlib format is very similar to the so-called zzip format, but zzip has actually header information, so we are adding this fake header to this binary, so that we can decompress this binary by using zzip command. That's what this do. That's what this does. Sorry. So anyway, so by passing the output of this binary to unzlib.sh, we are actually seeing the text representation. Maybe not text representation, but anyway, uncompressed content of the stream object. And finally, we reach the meat of the PDF document, which is the content of actual pages. And actually, in a PDF or PostScript, both way, the page content is actually sequence of draw commands. It's sequence of procedures. How you gonna draw a page, render a page graphically. Because this is just like a programming language. This actually means font specification, and this is a location, and this is a text to render. Actually, these are command. It's very obscure, but this in PostScript or PDF, each command might take, various number of argument, and it depends on the command. But for example, this tf command takes 2 arguments, which is f1. This is a symbol type value, and this one float value, and td specifies the location of the text to render, and these are the coordinate, the position, the location of the text object. It's not text object, but location of the something. And this part is actually an array of objects, and each element is a string, either string or number. As I said before, this is a string in PDF. So this is PL number. This is EEMPTI. This is another string number. This is another number. This is another string VEINF. And after this array, this command, actually this TJ, tells the PDF viewer to render this thing on the display on this location by using this font. And then we change the font. Not changing the font, but we change the font size and changing on the different location, and we draw another text like this. And as you can see, this is if you look into the original document, you see this. I don't know. What do we do? Okay. So this part is actually represented as in this part. So we already have this one word split into several 4 string segments. But this is how PDF renders, PDF viewer renders PDF document. And this is why it's hard to extract exact text content from PDF, because the text are just split into a bunch of different strings, and then you can see preemptive information extraction using unrestricted relation discovery, as in this one, right? So this way you can somehow extract the text contents from PDF by hand. Okay. I wanted to talk about the font information, but I'm just too tired, so I will just quit here. Yeah. But anyway, you don't have to use these tools, these hand. You don't have to work by hand like this. You have to use tools basically, and that's why I created PDF software called PDFMiner. Like, for example, there's a tool called PDF to text, which does exactly the same job as I did, but in a better way. But by doing this, just passing the file name to this command, it can actually extract text content. Yeah, so I will put the link to this package, so just try. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.